Good morning, fellas. It's been a while since I did the video because there's not much to do. Boating season ends and that's about it, right? So I'll be doing a video where I'm going to cover the boat and stuff like that. But anyhow, today the reason I'm doing the video because in my Nissan, my brake pedal sinks. It goes all the way to the bottom. I took out the air from the system by bleeding the system and thought the brake pedal would get better. I thought maybe the brake pads are going bad. So let me show you what I mean. If you see, that's my pedal. When you press on it, it just keeps on sinking. It just keeps on going down. It just keeps on. So the reason behind it is the master brake cylinder, which is in the front right here, is bad. The new one costs anywhere from $80 to $200. $80 are the ones that are available on Amazon. On auto parts, they range anywhere from $175 to $200, and that is the aftermarket part, not the dealer part. So the dealer part might be $200 or $300 more. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go to the junkyard, and I found that they have few SUVs, Nissan Pathfinder and the Xteras. Both of their parts are comparable and they can be used. So I'm gonna go and see if I can pick one of the master cylinders from the junkyard. It is a very chilly morning. It's very cold here in the morning. I can tell you exactly the temperature in a little bit. Let me tell you, if you don't have your gloves on, your hands get really cold, especially when you're working with the tools. They get very cold. So it's a chilly morning, and to get into the junkyard there's a fee that you have to pay, and after that they give you a list of the cars that you're looking for, and you can find them in the rows, they're pretty organized now. So fellas, this is the junkyard. It's called Crazy Ray, but it's named as LKQ Pick Your Parts. That's the building you enter. You pay in there, and then you get access to the junkyard. So what they say, the car that I'm looking for is in row 15 and space 3. So all cars are marked. If you see on top with the space, with the row number, see this is 19, row number 19. So we are looking for row 15. So this is 1, 2, and we keep on walking till we get to 15, and we look for space number 3, and we're gonna find our car. So let's go and start the search. So if you see, this is our car. We found it. That's the master cylinder. I have to open up this. I believe this is number 12, and those on the back are number 13. But if you see, the car is elevated. I might use that tire to stand on and work on it. So I got my part. It was about 31 bucks. Not bad. With taxes, 34 something. Now we're gonna go and install, and hopefully the pedal comes up. So if you see, that's the master cylinder that I have, and we're gonna open it up. To open up, first you have to remove this sensor, and there's a sensor under it. And these nuts right here that you see, these are number 12, and the one that's attached to the brake booster is number 13. So first we're gonna open up the 12. So that one is loose. Now we're gonna open the number 13 nuts right here. Now we're gonna use number 13 to open up this socket right here. And this nut right here. I'm trying. How are you?
Oh, not too bad.
Good.
Ain't bad out here today.
Huh?
Ain't bad out.
Yeah, it was a little bit chilly in the morning, but
Oh,
now
yeah,
yeah.
got down in the low 30s.
Yeah.
I don't like that kind of weather. I'm too old for that. I just turned 68 last month.
Oh yeah, you don't look 68, my friend.
I don't feel like it.
You don't
Yeah,
look
I'm
like you
68.
look like in your early 60s. How's work?
I'm retired.
You're retired.
Yeah.
So where you go every time I see you? Just hanging out?
Yeah, hanging. Mostly at the house doing something right now.
Okay.
It's all warm weather. I'm doing something. Cold weather, I don't come out much. I don't like cold weather anymore.
Yeah, nobody likes that.
I'm too old for that stuff anymore. I get cold, I can't warm up no more. I just ran down the store. I had to get a post office to get the stands. I went down $1 for it. Kind of thing.
Gotcha.
Had hair on his head. I didn't recognize it.
Damn.
They have a thing with Bo here. They tried to bring it back. He just, all he wanted to do was sleep. And he couldn't keep going.
Gotcha.
I guess I'm going to get into it.
All right, my friend. Good seeing you.
Don't work too hard on this.
I won't.
Don't break it.
I'll try.
All right.
So what we did, we put a rubber seal. Now we're gonna slap it back on and tie up everything. So let's go ahead and do that. And the thing is, you don't need to prime it because this is a used one, so it's already primed. But if you buy a new one, you need to prime it. So don't forget that. Those are very important things. Priming is very important. Use a socket to put it back. This one is in 2. And we're going to use number 12 to tie them up. This This is tight too. You don't want over tight. Put our sensors back. This click is installed. It's done. Well, that's good. Now we're gonna put some brake fluid and take the air out of the system. So here we are, everything is done. The brakes look really good. The pedal is higher than what it was before. With that being said, I'm gonna end this video, and I'm gonna thank everybody so much for tuning in and watching these videos that I do. Thank you, take care, bye bye, and happy holidays.